Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a battery charging test of the Oppo F15, and this phone is costing around almost 40,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how much time is needed to fully charge this phone from 1% to 100%. So now let's quickly show you the charger that actually comes right out of the box with this phone. And you can see here is the official box of the Oppo F15. Now let's quickly open this box, and now let's look at the charger and the cable. And guys, let's see what else we get inside of the box. And you can see we got this massive adapter, and guys, you can see that this phone give you a VOOC flash charge 3.0. and you can see, now let's see the ampere rating, and you can see you get a 5 volt with a 4 ampere. It is a 20-watt super fast charger that you're getting with the Oppo F15. And guys, also you get a USB Type-C cable, and you can see, and also you have some green indicator inside the cable. And guys, now let's put all the stuff to the side and look at the Oppo F15. And guys, again, this phone give you a massive 4025 mAh of battery size that support only 20-watt fast charging. And guys, also we get a full HD AMOLED screen. And guys, also the battery charging speed, it is depend on your environment temperature, your phone temperature, as well as your battery temperature. Right now the temperature is about 26 degrees Celsius. And guys, now let's out the cable from this plastic, and now let's quickly start it. Now let's first insert the USB A into the adapter, and the battery percentage on the Oppo F15, it is at 1%, almost 0%. I have to say this phone is automatically off when the battery it is hit at 1%. Now let's insert the adapter into the switch port, and also the power source it is on. And guys, now let's insert the cable into the phone, and you can see that this phone is showing me that the charging it is start. Now let's calculate the time on my Samsung Gear Fit 2 Pro watch. Let's start, and you can see, and let's see, we have some Super VOOC logo, and you can see the battery percentage on this phone is at 1%. And again, the battery charging speed it is depend on your environment temperature. So now I will be back after half hour. Let's see how much this phone is charged in the 30 minutes. So see you guys at half hour. Okay guys, I'm back after half hour, and you can see, now let's see the battery percentage on the Oppo F15 after half hour of the battery charging. And the battery percentage on this phone it is at 51%, and you can see almost 50% battery it is completely charged in the 30 minutes. So now I will be back after 1 hour. Now let's quickly boot this phone up, that we also do in our daily life. And also this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with the 8GB of RAM and a 128GB of internal storage. And again, the battery charging speed it is also really good on this phone, thanks to a 20-watt fast charger, as well as not a huge battery size. We get a 4025 mAh of battery size, and you can see. And now let's decrease the brightness a little bit, and guys, you can see that the Wi-Fi and the location as well as the Bluetooth, everything it is off in this phone. And also we don't have any SIM card on this phone right now. So now I will be back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the next half hour. So see you guys at 60 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes, and the stopwatch it is completely stopped at 60 minutes because that is the limit of this Gear Fit 2 Pro watch. And now I restart this, and guys, about 61 minutes right now it is completely done. Let's see the battery percentage, and the battery percentage on this phone it is at 96%, and you can see, and I would say that about 95% battery it is completely charged in 61 minutes. So now I will be back when my Oppo F15 it is fully charged up to 100%. So see you guys when phone is fully charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back again, and my Oppo F15 it is completely charged up to 100%, and you can see in 1 hour and 36 minutes. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the battery charging speed, I have to say that I definitely recommend to you guys, do not completely charge this phone at 100%, because this phone is take a lot of time after 98% to 100%. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Oppo F15. The battery charging speed is also really quick on this phone thanks to a faster adapter as well as a smaller 4025 mAh of battery size, and other phones give you a 5000 mAh battery size in this price range. So let me know your thoughts regarding the Oppo F15 battery charging test. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.